Hi friends! Today I have shaped puzzles with Rebecca and Peppa Pig. And now I will learn you how to solve these puzzles. I take all pieces of the box. Okay. And I will start with Rebecca. It's Rebecca's head with one eye, the second eye. Yeah. Rebecca is astronaut. And the last piece. Yeah, here it is Rebecca. It's a first picture. And now I continue with Peppa. It's a crown with eyes. Yeah. It's a nose of Peppa. It's leg. The second leg of Peppa. Yeah. And I need to find the rest pieces. Now it's George. Yeah. Okay. I put it all together. And I need the last piece. Yeah, here it is. Yeah, I have two puzzles, Rebecca and Peppa. They are going to masquerade. If you like my video, please subscribe and like it. Bye bye!